Hey guys, good morning. My name's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Sorry, I always kind of forget how I start these videos. As of right now, I am looking for, again, I'm looking for up here. I'm looking for a 608 roughly on SPY. And then as soon as we break this level that we can manage to close above like a 609.15, I'll be looking for this top of range like 612, 613. So again, I would 100% take longs at this point in time, right? I would definitely like to take some longs here at 606. Any redraw, any retrace, right? Like I would have longed this whole thing up to the top of this channel. So, I mean, I do think we're going to keep heading more towards the upside. On the daily, we are looking at, I would have probably longed since yesterday. So I would have probably longed here, right? Or since Wednesday, I'm sorry. I would have longed here at 606, maybe like 2 weeks out to probably push out to like 608 or like a 610 is what I'm thinking right now. But so far, I am pretty bullish towards the upside. You already broke mid-channel, came back down and retested, and now you're shooting out to like a 608. I did want to go a little bit into Bitcoin just to see kind of where we are. Well, no, not Tesla, Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, there we go. You are closing. You are starting to push to the upside. And I've been pretty bullish on Bitcoin to like a 106K, which is mid-channel, right? And again, I still think we're going up a little bit higher, 106 to like a 110. That's my next price range of where Bitcoin's going to hit. I think I said last time that, my targets are 106, 110 within like a week or two. I think we're still within that first week. So I think probably by next week or the week after even. But yeah, definitely, I think we're going to get to 106, then 110, and maybe see some rejection up there. If you guys keep seeing the notifications on Tesla, it's because Tesla just hit all my targets, right? We can come back here and I'll show you guys how or why I was expecting Tesla to push up. So I would have 100% longed right here on Tesla as soon as we broke this high and closed above this high, and my target would have immediately been 420. So I would have longed from 405 to 420. Currently, I'm in NVDA longs, right? So I don't really have like I don't have like extra cash to come in here, but you are staying afloat above this 421. So your next level, right? It's very, very easy. Grab your figs, run the high, run the low, right? Your next target's going to be 440, right? I can almost guarantee you that if you break, oops, get rid of this. And then I'll put this up here. There you go. I can almost guarantee you that right now, right, I would have definitely taken longs. Oh, what's going on? So I would have taken my longs right here, right? Because you closed above this bear open. I would have taken my longs right here at 423. And as of right now, my first target would be 430. Second target would be 439. So I'd probably buy like 422 calls, right? Look for a push back up to this high and then sell like half of it and then just leave runners to like 439. For NVIDIA, I kind of hate NVIDIA because I'm in longs and this shit just keeps dropping, right? And technically here, right, if you were to close under the bull open, right, the bull opens at 138.33 and we're at 138.25, so you are under that. If you were to close that, unfortunately, I'm looking for another push down to like a 134 NVIDIA, right? I'm looking for targets. If you close like that in 2 hours, unfortunately, I am looking for this to push down to like here and then possibly down here to the bottom of channel, right? Which again, I don't want that to happen. I want us to keep pushing towards the upside, right? Because I'm looking for a 143. Technically, on the daily, right? I've already had confirmation for longs here at 138.95, right? Because he closed above this bear open. So I would, as of right now, my target, right, on the daily is actually not this one. So I'll get rid of that. My target is actually here. Right, my target would be 145.72 because that's our, there we go. That's your next resistance level right up here at 145. So my target right now, what I'm hoping this is doing on the video is, again, you came back down to, this is roughly around mid-channel, came back up. You're testing the mid-channel, right? And then you're pushing up to the top of that channel, right? So, I mean, if you do break that next level on the video would be up here, right? You just duplicate your channel. And again, if you want to learn on this, just join on the Patreon. I teach you how to make the channels. I give you the access to my indicators and everything. So, join the Patreon. You'll learn a whole bunch and it's going to be super easy. But yeah, all targets hit. All targets have been hitting. My next target on the video is going to be up here at 145. My Tesla target already hit. All my SPY targets hit. All my Bitcoin targets hit, right? And even then, even right now, right? Like SPY, again, I can almost guarantee you we're going to see 608. And let me just actually, do I have an alert? Set alerts. Like I said, yeah, I can almost guarantee you SPY's headed up to 608 right now. And if we look at the Qs, I mean, Man, why is this taking so long? Close. There you go, QQQ. Yeah, see, QQQ already hit my target, right? My target on the Qs was right here at 530, 532. We literally just hit it right now. That was my first target, right? My second target right now. I just didn't have an alert, but it literally just hit my target right now, right? So I can guarantee you your next target on the Qs before having any kind of resistance, right? Again, very simple, just run this, right? You're probably gonna keep pushing up to 533 a little bit more before you see any kind of like resistance. You maybe like push up here and then kind of trade sideways and then push up again or drop back down to 530. But again, next target's already confirmed. I can 99% guarantee we're going to 533 on the Qs. So again, I'll see you guys later. All targets hit. Bye-bye.